Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to show color information on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And the pop-up will show. Okay, go to settings. Here in settings, okay, below, you can see the other calls settings. And okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And other call settings, you can see the show color information. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. If this enable or turn on, show info about the caller when you last talked, their important dates, and more. And okay, you'll have to do to show color information on your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully show color information on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.